Hey, welcome back to another video of Earning Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add specialized profile in Upwork. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Upwork website. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. Now at the top right corner of your screen, click on it under your profile section and click on account settings option. Now scroll down and click on Profile Settings tab. After that, scroll down until you see Specialized Profile tab. Now click on Add Specialized Profile. After that, you need to select a specialty and click on Continue button. Now select all your skills and expertise. If you have any other skills which are not mentioned here, you can manually type here. Now click on Save and Continue button. Again click on Save and Continue and type in your profile overview here. After that, you can click on Review your profile. Now you need to add at least one portfolio item for this specialized profile. Click on this link here. Now type in the project which you have done. And click on Go to Select Template button. After that, select any portfolio type and type in the project description here. After that, you'll need to add your video here, or you can add the video link which you have published on YouTube or Venmo. After that, click on Save button here. Now click on Go to Preview button and you can preview your project here and click on Publish button. Now click on Publish button and you can see that your specialized profile has been added successfully. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.